In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Viewers, firstly subscribe my YouTube channel Doctor Asbah and press the bell icon for more updates about important MCQs, general knowledge MCQs. Now let's start. Strait of Gibraltar located in Mediterranean Sea. Red Sea was the main trade route of Muslim world with Eastern Africa, Persia and Asia. The second largest ocean of the world is Atlantic Ocean. The place of greatest known depth of the Indian Ocean is Java Trench. Caspian Sea is located between Azerbaijan, Russia, Kazakhstan and Iran. Lake Baikal is located in Russia. Aral Sea is located between Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Lake Ontario is located in USA, Canada. Lake Michigan is located in United States America. USA. And further MCQs, the place of greatest known depth of Indian Ocean is Java Trench. I repeat, Aral Sea is located between Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Lake Ontario is located in USA, Canada. Lake Michigan is located in USA. Lake Victoria is located between Tanzania, Uganda and Kenya. Great Bear Lake located in Canada. Lake Titicaca is located between Peru and Bolivia. These are important MCQs. These are general knowledge MCQs, and these MCQs are really important for the job test. So, if you are new on my channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more important general knowledge MCQs. And also for health updates, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay with us, stay healthy, stay updated. Thank you, Allah Hafiz and take care.